Every child dreams of having their own car collection. With CarMaker, their dreams can become a reality. To get started, simply open the CarMaker and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. There are 3 themes available: I, M and E. Choose the one you like. It'll be displayed in the center of the interface. If you want to modify the model, click Modify. A design interface will be displayed. Below you'll find a variety of spare parts. Select the spare parts you like and drag them onto the model. Click on the Clear button to remove all spare parts. Click Undo to return to the previous step. If you want to change the color of spare parts, just choose a color you like and click on them. You can also add text to personalize your model. Use Delete to remove the part you don't want. Use these buttons to customize the spare parts. Rotate the model to check its overall effect. Click Initial button to straighten the model. You can zoom in or out the model to check details. Once complete, click Tick button, and there are 2 bearing options. Choose the one you like. Below you'll find 5 action buttons. Click the Print button to print your model. Get ready to build your own car empire.